2018 Ford Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, compass, security system, Sirius satellite radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.